So today I'm going to be showing you how to share a YouTube video starting from a certain point. So first of all, what you're going to need to do is you're going to open up YouTube. See which video would you want to share. Okay, let's say you're going to share this video.
Heartburn is caused by stomach acid.
So first what you're going to need to do is you're just going to need to copy this link.
And forms a
Okay, so then once that's copied, you're just going to need to open up Chrome. Then in here, you're just going to paste the link. After you've pasted that link, these three dots on the top here, you're just going to need to tap on that, and you're going to need to press the desktop site option. You're just going to need to click on that. Okay, so that's going to change the video, change how the video looks a little bit. So this video is 1 minute long. Let's say, okay, let's say you want to stop it over here, 0.23. Okay, so then you're gonna press the share button. Then if you look very closely, what this writing is very small, but what it actually says is start at 0.23. so you're just going to need to check that, and after you check that, what you need to do is you're going to need to copy the link. So once you've copied that link, you can basically send that to anyone, and when that person plays the video, this is where it's going to start from. Okay, yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's basically how this feature works on a mobile device, and stay tuned for more videos like this.